Yeah, just let me stepping on everyone. I'll make them my daughter and son. I don't need to flex with my fucking wrist. I just flex on fucking everything. What I do every day, I'm quarterbacking all these fucking plays. Labels don't want me right now, but in a year from now, that's gonna be a different story. Yeah, gotta embrace the glory of the come up, make people shut up. I was doing too much, I was being too such. Yeah, I was being way too such. Just stopping at times when I should've gone harder. Just stopping at times when I should've been smarter. Here we go again, it's the start of the cycle. What will you do to break it? Will you have the perseverance? Do you have the grit and the smarts? Cause at the end of the day you need a brain with a heart and you need some luck. So how the fuck are you gonna make this happen? It's rapping, everybody capping what they flex. They don't got pinky rings, they don't really fuck those chicks. They ain't really flexing with wrists. They're in imagination land talking their shit. I really am a fan of real art, and I'm going in like Kendrick with the heart. I'm looking like Popstr. Everything I hit is with the dart. Josh Allen accuracy, and you're still trying to hand check me. But lucky for me, this ain't a 3. This 25 and I'm going on IG Live with the hardest track that I just plugged on. When I'm up, I got nothing in my cup. I just naturally feel